Us right now is Irv Blumkin. He is the chairman of Nebraska Furniture Mart, which has been a Berkshire company since 1983 and a big part of what's taking place here this weekend, too. Irv, it's great to see you today.
Thank you for having me. Welcome to Omaha.
Yeah, thanks. I mean, part of the excitement around this is that people who come in here get a discount at Nebraska Furniture Mart. What is it, a 15% discount if they shop within a week?
It varies by product, but it's the deepest discount we have ever. And it's a tremendous value to the customer, and they get to take advantage on products that typically aren't discounted.
Maybe not iPhones, though? Maybe
not iPhones.
So what kind of business do you see on a weekend like this?
We'll do over the Berkshire period somewhere in the neighborhood of $50+ million.
Oh, wow. Okay, and let's talk about more broadly, because furniture was such a hot item, anything that people wanted during COVID, and we've seen a real downturn since then. Where do things stand right now? It was a problem with supply chain, not being able to get enough product, and people just wanting to spend on anything. What do you see right now?
Well, right now, especially the last 30 days, traffic has been down. Written business has been a little off, but it gives us companies like ours who are strong and stable the opportunity to really pass on value to the customer. But we can definitely see a slowdown in the last 30 days.
So when you say pass on value to the customer, you'll offer more discounts than you have in the past?
And there's many opportunities available to us because we pay our bills, we can take volume, and our industry overreacted when they couldn't get supply. So there's plenty of supply available and plenty of inventory available, and they're full of warehouses. So it gives us an opportunity at time to pass on value to the customer.
There have been some furniture chains that have had way too much inventory, that they've been burdened with it. I don't think you guys are in quite that severe of a situation. What do you do, and just in terms of what your inventory levels look like?
Our inventories are in really good shape, but we really work hard on making sure that we have the right product, and we didn't overreact. And at the time during COVID, everybody was trying to buy whatever they could get because they could sell whatever they could get. And we really took a position to make sure we kept good control of our inventory. So now we're able to take advantage of opportunities.
I think you guys had a better opportunity. I mean, you had a better version of getting stuff into the stores during COVID, too. What were some of the things that you were doing to make sure you got inventory other people couldn't get?
Well, we do business with a lot of different suppliers, so we have a big, broad base. So we were able to leverage and adapt to where we had to get goods, so we made sure that we took care of the customer. So because of our broad vendor base, we made sure that we had product to take care of the customer.
Irv, one of the reasons that Warren Buffett invested in Apple was because of what he saw at the Nebraska Furniture Mart, just how important of an item this was, what he saw coming through. iPhones are not something that ever gets discounted anywhere, any of the Apple products, right?
It's very rare, but Apple's such a great brand, and it's such a sticky brand, and if you're going to be in this business, they're the brand to have.
Last night they came out with the numbers that were stronger than anticipated because of better than expected iPhone sales and things along those lines. Have you seen the same things in your stores?
We have. It's a brand people want, and our sales are still good. There's been some limited supply issues, but overall they've done a great job.
What's the toughest thing to get?
There were some times where there were some iPads that were tough to get, but overall now we're in really good shape.
We've got a jobs report coming up in just a couple of hours. What's the labor market been looking like from your perspective? How hard is it to get help? How much do you have to pay?
It's still tight, but it's loosened from what it was. During the last 6 months to a year, we had to make adjustments because the labor was so tight. But it's loosening up a little bit, and so it's not quite as tough as it was before. And it's easier for us to get help now.
What kind of adjustments did you have to make?
We adjusted a lot of our warehouse staff. We just needed to make sure that we kept our people loyal to us and made sure that we have good stability. So we wanted to make sure we were competitive in the marketplace.
Meaning you paid them more?
Absolutely.
So what's the average wage for you right now? Starting salary?
Well, in our warehouse, it's $20+ an hour.
Wow, and that was what before COVID?
It was maybe $16, $17 an hour.
So that's some serious inflation that's worked its way through the pipe.
It has been some serious inflation.
What do you see from the inflation outlook overall? Has inflation come down?
In our industry, inflation has come down. Of course, freight has come down quite dramatically. inventory availability has become much more available, and so prices have really started to stabilize and actually come down. But overall inflation, we heard from our people, they're feeling it, and they're slowing down and they're tightening up. There's just so much uncertainty.